Am I the a-hole for taking my girlfriend's dog without her permission?
My girlfriend has an Australian Shepherd named Maverick that's very friendly with everyone. My nephew loves Maverick and always begs my sister and brother-in-law to let him visit us so that she can play with him. My girlfriend sleeps with Maverick pretty much every night. She claims she has a hard time sleeping without him. My nephew was recently diagnosed with epilepsy and has several seizures a day. He's been trying different drugs to see which would work. He was supposed to come over and visit us last week, but my sister didn't want him to travel in case he had another seizure. At that point, I had a few days off of work and I asked my girlfriend if I could take her dog and drive the 4 hours to visit him and surprise him with Maverick. I already checked with my sister, who said that he would be so happy because he's been really sad that he's been missing school and missing seeing his friends due to his health problems.
I asked my girlfriend, who didn't seem to want him to come with me because she said that she can't sleep without her dog by her side.
I told her that she should just come with me to my sister's place and bring Maverick along, but she said that she already brought lift tickets to go skiing with her friends. The fact that she would choose to go skiing with her friends over spending time with a sick kid is pretty selfish to me. I took Maverick with me to visit my sister and left my girlfriend a message saying that he's fine and we'll be back the next day. She called me screaming at me to bring him back immediately, and I told her that I was already halfway there. I told her to calm down because I was going to be bringing him back tomorrow. She didn't say another word, and when we got to my sister's place, my nephew was so happy and spent the evening cuddling Maverick. I brought him home the next day just like I said I would, but she already had her bags packed and immediately loaded Maverick in her car and drove off. I know she's mad at me, but I think she is really overreacting about spending one night away from her dog. It's been a few days now and she's been ignoring my texts and calls, so am I the asshole?